beautiful. All right. No AC call. Find the room. Okay. Something else. No. I'm about to go outside. It's clean.
It's running. It sounds strong. It's just.
Yeah. Let's go see what's going on outside. I'm gonna go check outside.
Okay. All right. Mind if I come with you?
No. Not at all. Not at all.
I feel bad. It's so hot.
Don't worry, man. That's what we do for a living.
Yeah.
And this is our busy season. Hey, buddy.
They definitely test it with these temperatures.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you were here. We just had the top floor.
Yeah, I was here for that one.
Yeah, that was a lot of work.
Yeah, I was the one playing the music out here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I like to record myself, too.
Go on YouTube stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, you got shade though.
I've been posting a little bit on YouTube. Yes. I got a friend who's gonna start doing some editing for me. I told him, I'll pay you to learn. Just give me some editing. I record myself all day. Where I do work.
That's good. It's really old.
Really? Yeah. Feels like it might be low. Should be blowing some heat. Like this one. You should feel this way, you can feel some heat. Let's see. We got a new capacitor. We got to record. Okay. Got a new capacitor.
That's cool that you have stuff on the truck.
Yeah, definitely. I try to keep the truck stocked. Gotta clean it out this weekend.
Yeah.
Got a mess in there right now.
Probably non-stop.
I haven't really had a day off for like in 2 months. It's okay. I did take off for 4th of July.
Oh, good.
I had my nephew cleaning the back of my truck. He charged me $100. $100.
do anything fun on the 4th?
Yeah, they came to the house right here in Centerville and did a little cookout.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and then the neighbors popped a lot of fireworks, so
Yeah.
I didn't get to.
It's
got
nice
lucky.
when
I
you
didn't
don't
get.
have to buy them. And you
Yeah,
can
I
watch
feel
it.
good not buying it. I drank a lot though.
Yeah, of course. We gotta celebrate.
Showed up a little late the next day. Jason was texting me.
Oh no.
I was like, I'm alive, man. I'm here. He told me
Jason's he's the boss, huh?
he's the manager. But yeah, he's the big boss.
Does the old man still come around?
Tom,
No, the owner.
the owner, Bob,
Yeah,
I think so. I don't usually go to the office.
yeah.
You know, they don't pay me to go to the office.
Our best friends, his sister is one of our best friends, Zadie.
Okay.
So that's the reason why we use A-Advantage. Bob is just amazing.
Yeah, I like A-Advantage. I've been with A-Advantage for 5 years now.
Oh wow.
You know, and
It's a family owned, you know, Bob's
Yeah.
a great guy.
yeah.
They have like 10 siblings or something. It's a huge family.
It is huge.
And then his sister Zadie, that our friend,
But
she
no.
works at Costco.
Okay, because I know I go to a lot of their houses.
Oh yeah.
So I know on once I was like, because it was like after hours,
Yeah.
and I was like, it's gonna cost this much. And I ended up telling Jason. Jason like, you gotta call him back. That's the
It's
part.
a family deal.
So I was like, damn. So I didn't get to the house till like almost 9 o'clock at
Oh,
night.
wow.
But I got them up and running.
You guys are great. So the pressure was good, or do we need to add any?
We're gonna know in a little while.
Oh, okay. You gotta run it again.
Yeah. Make sure I did that right. Sounds much better. Sounds much better. Let's see what the pressures look like. Pressure. There we go. 12 amps.
That was the original capacity?
Probably, yeah.
So we bought it in 2008.
Pretty sure 14. Okay. I think we're good to go.
Oh, you're the man.
That's what I hear.
You like to hear that.
That's why I do this work. I don't get it at home.
Did you think of Freon?
It's right now I'm just keeping it under the pressure. We're gonna let it run for a little while. So far so good. It's amping good, so that's good.
I like the easy one.
Yeah, definitely. Yes. sell new equipment too.
Well, we're gonna get. That's next. We just bought this one.
Right.
We wanna see over here.
Yes, yes. We'll be ready.
We'll call you.
Just make sure you call me. I get the commission.
Oh, direct?
Yeah, if you cut, like if I come out here and I sell it, you know, but you know, no, I wasn't for that one. But I did get my hands on it as long as I get the install part. But usually they don't use me for install. They use me for service. Because I'm good at service. Okay, so brushes are looking good. It's stabilizing, but it's good. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Good to go.